Okay, Trent, thanks a lot. We're following now some breaking news.
A verdict just came down moments ago in the very first lawsuit over Chinese drywall. Local 10's Janine Stanwood is live for us in Miami with the details.
Lori, that Miami couple says they were forced to leave their home because of stinking, corrosive drywall. They were just awarded $2.4 million in a case against the drywall supply company as well as the manufacturer. This is the verdict form that we were handed. The first question that the jury had to answer was the drywall defective when it left the defendant's possession and a legal cause of damages to the plaintiffs? That answer was yes. Lori Calvin, this is a case that could really set a precedent for future drywall cases. This is the first one in the country, the first one here in Florida. It certainly will not be the last.
Wow. Janine, it's just mind-boggling. And this means so much to so many people. You've been out in those communities affected.
So many people who had homes that were built between 2004 2008 in Florida, new homes. So many of these homes were built with this Chinese drywall. People have told us that they've gotten sick because of it. Again, this court case, this hearing, this verdict today could set a precedent for future cases that are pending.
All right, $2.4 million for a Miami couple. Janine Stanwood live. Thank you.
Janine, thanks. And tonight, the first South Florida court case involving defective Chinese drywall has been decided, and it's a big verdict. A Miami couple was awarded $2.4 million because of the drywall inside their $1.6 million home. An attorney for the company made a short statement after the verdict.
We certainly at this point will discuss the verdict. We are a bit disappointed, and we will weigh our rights, including all of our appellate rights, and appropriately we'll inform everybody as to what we're doing.
Now, Ervin and Lisa Seifert lived at this Coconut Grove home. Their attorney said Banner Supply Company knowingly sold them defective drywall after consulting with the manufacturer to not disclose the problem. Senator Bill Nelson told us today he's concerned with other homeowners out there with the same problem and how they're being compensated for defective drywall.
These poor folks that have Chinese drywall, their bank has stiffed them, their insurance company has stiffed them, the home builder is bankrupt, they can't get after the distributor, and ultimately goes back to the Chinese company, which is controlled by the Chinese government.
Now, $491,000 of today's verdict is for the cost of gutting and renovating that home. The rest is for loss of enjoyment of the house and the stigma that the drywall may affect resale value. Banner Supply Company has been named in thousands of other lawsuits.